It's Christmas time. You know what that means, right? Sarman presents! I get excited about the little things. Balkan people do this holiday show a little bit differently from the rest of the world. I mean, obviously we do Christmas Day and Christmas Eve, but 2 weeks after everyone else. Now you know what that means, right? You get to miss school and work. And after Christmas sales! You better get them Christmas lights half off, okay? Not only that, but Christmas gifts for other people become cheaper, and I love to save a coin when I can. Let me start off by explaining how Christmas works for us. On Christmas Eve, we head over to an overpacked church, enjoy the service, and get ourselves a banyak, which is basically an oak tree branch. Sidebar, we don't necessarily have like that American Christmas tree, we have an oak tree. But since we're a little bit Americanized here, we have a Christmas tree. During the service, we pray and soak in that holiday cheer. Well, some of us. The rest of us scope out the scene like we're the frickin' Black Ops and judge people from afar. We naturally save our commentary till after. Duh. Did you see her? I haven't seen her in years. She got so old. She came without her husband again. Is he working late? Moving along, as if this packed church couldn't get any hotter, you kind of pray for it to move along quickly. But of course, that one moment you do, the choir decides to have a frickin' concert. That's when you pray for the mics to go out. After we push our way to the front to get our badnyak, we go to the church hall to get ourselves some hot rakia. I mean, honestly, people just show up at the end of the service to get the banyak, but they're really there for the rakia. And some people just skip church altogether and just get the rakia. First off, I know I'm gonna be stoned for saying this, but rakia's disgusting. The hot one is kind of okay and has a mellow flavor that I can actually tolerate, but all in all, I don't really drink, therefore I don't really like it. I just use it for when I'm sick and to clean the cuts I have. Now let's talk about Christmas. The day starts off bright and early with a polaznik. I don't know what his or her purpose is other than being a human alarm clock. Thank God my family doesn't do this, or else my morning would start like this. I swear to God, it better be f***ing Santa at the door. Hristos, rodi! Ain't nobody got time for that. We wake up at a decent time to have our meal, which consists of like sarma, pita, salata, roasted pig. Some people may find it weird that we roast our own animals in the backyard with our homemade machine. But to us it's normal. Park your car in front of the big garage. The pig roaster is pulled forward so you can't park. Okay. There's also a tradition to hide like a coin in the bread that we pass around. And whoever finds the coin has good luck for the next year. Now I find it odd that we're placing a dirty ass metal coin in bread that we eat. But hey, we do anything for a coin nowadays, within reason. The most important part of the day, at least for me, is to open up gifts. Traditionally you're supposed to get like a sock filled with like nuts, fruit, candy. I'm sorry, but there better be a mother PlayStation under that tree. After all that, we lay like beached whales for the rest of the day. To wrap this all up, our traditions are very special and I'm very appreciative of that. Especially the Sundays leading up to Christmas that are dedicated to mothers, fathers, and kids. I think that's awesome. I'd like to take this time to wish everyone a happy holiday season. Merry Christmas and Hristos rodi.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general. And Facebook and Twitter at Surgeon General.